You just set that one up too.
So right now we just got done skateboarding. I will have to say I was only here for about 30 minutes and I'm super tired. And so I don't know, I probably didn't really say, but man, I am scared. Every time I was gonna even try to do a kickflip, I got scared. I did a lot of 180s today. I did some front side and backside 180s. They were more like probably an inch off the ground, maybe, I don't know, maybe 2 inches, I don't know, maybe more. Did a switch front side, did a big spin. I did one kickflip. I did about 15 tries and I landed one. And it's just gonna be a work in progress, but good exercise. I'm sweating really bad right now, but man, this is actually really a lot harder than I remember it being when I was younger. So again, like I said, it's been over 16 years since I last stepped on a skateboard, and it's been about 17 years. And so thanks to my wife for flying the drone and not crashing it.
Almost crashed it.
And so that's a good thing. I didn't break any bones today. That's a good thing.
That is a good thing.
And anyway, I'll put this together. I'll show everybody how it went. Okay, bye.